And this is a new episode with Amr Hassanin and Crypto Yacht Club, analyzing Bitcoin movements. And we had different scenarios from the last two videos, and we excluded some, and we said there are some scenarios that are more likely to happen. And these are the scenarios that we said they are more likely to happen. I didn't change anything since yesterday. This is the same Fibonacci. You can check my previous video. It was just all spot on. This one Fibonacci, this is the other pattern recognition here. We expected the price will fall 15%. It exactly did that, maybe 14 or something, maybe 16 or something, but it's exactly the same prediction. Here another Fibonacci. We said that actually this scenario is actually conforming or collecting all the suggestions from the other Fibonacci's in one chart. So in these two lines, we were expecting that the price will recover from here, from this area, and that's exactly what it did. We also had here different combinations of indicators, and we were also spot on. That's also another Fibonacci. We said it will come from, it will have to reach to this area, okay, before it shows some recovery. So we are all good in all our predictions. So if you were able to make any buy from this, let's just go back to the that one. If you were able to make a buy from that area, then you were actually very lucky, because now you have at least 10% profit. I'm not gonna say that that the trend seems to be over, because as you see here, this is a strong bullish candlestick. And it actually killed the downtrend. I'm quite sure that too many people will be happy to see that very bullish candlestick. But I just want to tell everyone that just keep your eyes open, because what we have here and what Bitcoin have seen in the last 2 or 3 months, the last 4 months in the last year, was actually a very bullish trend, parabolic trend, and all the everyone who studies trend analysis and knows the types of trends knows that very well, that parabolic trends, they fall also in the same fashion, like they rise up very quick and fall very quick. People still believe that Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies in general have a strong foundation, which is based on a lot of users around the world adopting it daily, using it for financial transactions. So far, if you ask me, I'll tell you that fall is very normal. You after that rise, you usually rebound from the lower band. That's very normal. What is not normal, that you stay in this area for too long, which is not, I'm not gonna say it's not normal, but it's not what we used to in Bitcoin. We used to be in the higher band all the time, you see. So we have to keep our eyes open from any new patterns developing. I would really advise that when there is another sell, that you adapt your position. You have to update your position. You don't say and I don't really advise that you say I'm gonna hold for a long time, because it can be tough. I have read some opinions on the internet. There's a link. I'm going to leave a link in the comment, or maybe in the description of this video. I'm going to leave a link to a very interesting article you have to read, because it seems like there is actually some efforts to bring Bitcoin below $5,000, and if it goes below $5,000, it's gonna the expectation that it's going to crash, because mining is not going to be profitable for Bitcoin miners anymore. So I will keep that article in the description, and you have always to keep your eyes open. You don't want to see your investment that you made. If you bought from 20,000 or 17,000, that's a lot of money. You don't want to see your money crashing. So a little bit of saviness, you will be able to cover your risk a little bit. You don't lose everything. You reduce your risk if in case of crashing. So I'm here to give you advice if any sell is going to happen or anything like that. So back again to what's happening today in the 4 hours. I see here that it's trying to get to the upper band on the above the moving average here. In the 2 hours we said it's already there. In the 2 hours it's already there in the upper band. That bullish candlestick is, I can say it's optimistic. I will not hide it. It's really optimistic to see such pressure from buyers, which has pushed the price like 10% in 1 hour or so, or 2 hours. So yeah, that's a good sign. Let's just keep our eyes open, because the next 2 days will be some fluctuations. Maybe we'll go a little bit higher, maybe to 9,200 or something like that. But we have to watch closely every time it comes to that levels. Okay, this area between 8. We have another support here, by the way. So we have 2 supports now. One at 7,600 and one at 8,200. Okay, these are 2 supports. So if you see that one broken, you have to be alarmed. Okay, you wanna do an analysis first before it goes and break the other one. Okay, so sometimes it will come here and break, but it's not strong break, which will not lead to breaking the other support. But you have to keep your eyes open when it comes clear near to 8,200. Okay, as long as it's up there here, that if that can push actually the price to, in the 4 hours also, it will go to the upper band, and we will see some recovery in the next 24 hours or so. So let's see tomorrow what we have to analyze. So far there are some good signs, and let me know if you have any questions or feedback. I would like to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day.